Student's Book, page 54. 2. Listen and check.
Look at this map of the country. Let's go there for a picnic on Sunday. We can take a big blanket and have our lunch on the ground.
That's a good idea. I like picnics. Ooh, there's a river here. I'd like to go fishing.
And I'd like to go swimming. There's a lake next to the river.
Okay, so you need to take a towel.
Oh, look! Here's a big forest. I want to look at some plants and draw their leaves. Is there any grass to play on, Dad?
Yes, Susie, look at the map. These green parts are fields. There's a lot of grass.
A lot of grass and a blanket. That's great. For a nice sleep after lunch.